You're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Ref Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. Another busy week has gotten underway as markets are hoping to decipher more about the Fed policy path from Chair Jerome Powell's congressional hearings that they did from last week's meeting. Powell is due to address both chambers of Congress on Wednesday and Thursday in his semi-annual testimony, just a week after the Fed skipped a rate hike for the first time in 10 meetings. The pause was initially greeted with euphoria on Wall Street, and the U.S. dollar came under heavy selling pressure in Forex markets. But doubts are now starting to creep in as a slew of Fed speakers on Friday kept the door wide open for further rate hikes. The repricing in Fed fund futures gave the greenback a modest leg up, but U.S. stocks ended Friday at the red. The euro and pound both surged last week as the European Central Bank raised rates by 25 basis points and flagged there's more to come, while the Bank of England is expected to do the same on Thursday when it announces its decision. But even though the rally appears to have lost steam, both currencies are holding firm as the European Central Bank's and Bank of England's policy paths are clearer in the near term than the Fed's. The pound is trading above the 128 level for the first time since April 2022, while the euro is back above $109. The Australian dollar, which is the best performing currency in June, was having a somewhat tougher day on Monday as concerns about China's economic prospects resurfaced, with many economists lowering their 2023 forecast for GDP growth in China. The response from Beijing has so far been a half-hearted attempt to boost the economy. The country's central bank is widely anticipated to lower its 1- and 5-year loan prime rates tomorrow by 10 basis points, but markets are not convinced that the policy easing is sufficient enough to kickstart growth. Investors were also disappointed that a cabinet meeting held by the State Council on Friday did not produce any decisive steps on how to tackle the slowdown. Nevertheless, Asian markets were unimpressed by all the headlines, and most major indices closed lower, marking a sense of caution ahead of all the other events, including a policy decision by the Swiss National Bank on Thursday. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com. Have a great week.